Alright, in this tutorial I will be showing you how to create a new class for your Edublog. I will also be showing you how to create a home menu button for your new class and also how to create a new post for your new class so that you can add text, media, and tags so that your Edublog post can be found easily. Now the first thing you want to do is go to myriverside.sd43.bc.ca and log into your blog. So in the top right hand corner here you'll see a login button. Click into your blog, and on the top left hand corner you will see a button for dashboard. What you want to do is under my sites you want to click on dashboard, and that will bring you to your home dashboard. Now your dashboard will show you recent posts or feeds of posts that you want to filter. On the right hand side you will see a search function that can help you narrow down specific posts for classes or teachers. And on the left hand side you'll see different editor functions for your blog. Now what we want to do is go to posts and hover over posts, and you'll see a categories button. Now the category is another name for our class. We want to label our new class as new class and click on the blue button down here that says add new category. Once we've done that, we have now created the category. What we have to do though is add that category to our home page. So under the appearance tab in the editor functions you want to scroll down to the menus button. Your menu is then shown, and this will look different for everybody, but this is everything that will be seen on your home page. What we need to do is under the categories heading, if you click on the drop down menu, you will see all of your categories, and under the view all tab you should be able to find the new category that we just created. Ours is called new class. Once you click on new class, you can add that to your menu. Now this will change with whatever course you are adding. For example, power technology, home economics, automotive technology, whatever your new class name is, that's what you'll put down as your category name. Now once you see your new class here at the bottom of your menu, you can add it and drag it to wherever location you want. We're going to keep ours at the bottom just to keep it simple, and we have to make sure that we click on the save menu button in order to save our changes. Once you've done that, you can check your home menu by going up to the top here at Mr. Kang's site or whatever your Edublog site is called, and visit that site, and that will show you what it looks like to other people. So this is my home page, and you can see on the home menu screen we have a new link to our new category. So if I click on the new class, I can see that this is my new category that I just created. There's nothing there yet, but we will create our first post, and we can do that by going to the plus new button up at the top of the web page. Click on plus new post, and this will be our first post for our first new class. Now we're going to label our new post test post number 1, and in the description box, this is where you add your text, your media. We will just simply add in this is a test post, and we're going to add media. You can also add a document, but we will add media, and you can see that you have a media library, or you can also upload files. So I will simply just pick a file from my library. I'm going to go with the Batman logo and click on the insert into post button, and you'll see that it automatically inserts into my post. Now there's a variety of options I can do. I can align it to the center, I can align it to the left, I can change the scale of it. I'm going to just align it to the center, and this is my test post. It can be ready for publishing, but there are two important steps that you need to follow before you publish your post. Firstly, you have to make sure that you post it to the correct category. So on the right hand side you will see all of the categories that you can post to. We want to post this to our new class, So we're going to check off that box. The other thing that I want to do is tag our post so that it can easily be found. We're going to tag our new post with the tag Batman. And that's an easy way for classmates or teachers to find your blog post. And you can also add multiple tags, but for this example, we're just going to have one. So we've added our tag. We've checked off the category that we want to post it to. Now we can go ahead and click the Publish button and see our finished product. To view the post, you can either click on View Post at the top here or at the top of the post. Or what I like to do is actually just go again through my home screen to my Visit Site button and see what it looks like from here. So I can click on the new class that I had just added, and I can see my test post number 1. From here, I can also edit it by clicking on this Edit button. I can see other tags by clicking on the Batman tag, or I can leave a comment. Now, this is a good starting point. Of course, there are a ton of other things that are possible with new categories and new classes. Now that you've learned how to create a new class for your Edublog and you've done a test post, you can follow this procedure for any new elective that you want to add a category for. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and if you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask.